Take a ride in the 2025 F-250 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-250 Super Duty. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear step bumper, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, fog lights, integrated turn signal mirrors, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, engine block heater. Feel the rush of adrenaline as you accelerate into the future.